60 seconds you need to know before you go. You probably need to know that I'm chairman of a company I'm about to talk about. It's called Clean Tech Acquisition Corp. It's a SPAC, and we are closing our deal with a Houston-based developer of cloud-based surface and subsea robots. It's really cool. These guys are former NASA guys, and the company is called Nauticus. They do repairs under the ocean and all kinds of other things. I'll be telling you more about it. It's going to change the symbol to KITT. Yeah, like KITT, that car. But nonetheless, that is big news this morning. We're cheering for that. Also taking a look at what's going on with FedEx, because those shares are up 6% because they beat estimates, top and bottom line. Rivian, a stock that I talked about yesterday on the halftime, because of the large accumulation of puts, we talked about it. Well, shares are down 9% and falling. It's been as low as, I think, $96 already this morning. Cerner, CERN, healthcare information technology, apparently being acquired by Oracle. That's what we're reading in the Wall Street Journal. I haven't heard confirmation of that, but shares of Cerner are up. Buckle, BKE, this one trading down about 12% in the pre-retailers, just getting throttled. Fresh Pet, which is FRPT, also trading down hard on weak guidance. I am Jon Najarian. I'll see you soon, 3 at 3. Check it out.